Welcome to the AGORACOM Investor Relations Feature Webcast, where our goal is to bring incredible, undiscovered small-cap companies together with vast retail audiences. On this webcast, we'll be featuring a company by the name of BioCurex. BioCurex is a publicly traded company based in Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. The company is a leading-edge biotechnology organization with proprietary and patented technologies in cancer diagnosis, imaging, and therapy. Time and time again, results have shown that BioCurex successfully detects over 90% of all cancers in blood or tissue samples. These levels are significantly more accurate than any present method. BioCurex trades on the over-the-counter bulletin board under the symbol BOCX. BioCurex is currently developing and commercializing cancer diagnostic products based on its breakthrough RECAF cancer marker technology. A principal goal of cancer research is to differentiate cancer cells from healthy cells. BioCurex's patented technology achieves this goal. The company's RECAF technology is able to effectively locate molecules or markers that are present on cancer cells but not on healthy cells. This technology has wide application and use. Not only can it be used in blood and tissue tests to determine if a patient has cancer, but it can also be used as a powerful preventative measure used on a regular basis for the early detection of a recurring cancer. Furthermore, RECAF makes it possible to specifically target and treat the cancer with antibodies and drugs to stop cancer growth without damaging healthy cells. All this is possible for every type of cancer tissue studied, including breast, lung, stomach, and prostate, as well as leukemia. BioCurex's team of internationally renowned scientists and experts recognize the impact that this technology will have on healthcare and are committed to making it a reality. The answer to cancer detection and treatment is here. Recently in the news, BioCurex has incorporated a fully owned subsidiary, namely BioCurex China. It will initially operate as a clinical lab for RECAF testing and will serve both hospitals and doctors. This expansion is completely separate from existing licensing agreements that BioCurex has with Abbott Laboratories and Inverness Medical. There are several points worth noting as far as the how and the why of this expansion. First, no new financing is required, therefore no share dilution. Secondly, for the time being, the revenue from the Chinese operation will not be comparable to the far greater anticipated revenue to come from Abbott and Inverness, since that is the company's number one priority. Thirdly, there is a universal need for fast, low-cost cancer detection. This is certainly welcome news to emerging nations with limited resources and low labor costs. BioCurex is getting established in the largest city, Shanghai, in the world's largest nation, making it highly cost-effective and an ideal test market. Fourth, homebrew tests in clinical labs generally require less regulatory approvals than commercial kits. And lastly, marketing in China will be extended to other large cities such as Beijing and Hong Kong. BioCurex China will be looking for distribution channels of the finished kits to other clinical labs throughout the rest of that country. Also in the news, the company announced last fall that its RECAF test can detect cancer using a small sample of saliva with excellent results. The work was part of an ongoing collaboration with the Goshen Center in Indiana. Saliva from cancer patients and healthy donors was tested for a variety of cancers, including lung, breast, and gastrointestinal cancer. The results were impressive, showing the test detected cancer with an 87% sensitivity and 91% specificity. While the number of samples was relatively small, the statistical significance was very high. It's much easier and less expensive to screen for cancer using saliva samples than serum samples. The company feels it can trim the assay to work even better and can even increase the sensitivity benchmark to 100% and eliminate most, if not all, of the potential false positive results. BioCurex currently trades at 8 cents a share, with just under 45 million shares outstanding. That gives BioCurex a very conservative market cap of just $3.6 million. With a strong and creative business plan and a growing market, BioCurex has positioned itself well for impressive growth in both sales and share price. And that concludes our AGORACOM Investor Relations feature webcast on BioCurex. To get more information about the company, you can visit their website at www.biocurex.com, or you can visit the BioCurex Investor Relations Hub right here on AGORACOM. We thank you for listening and hope you join us again next time when we bring you the next great undiscovered small cap company.